Overview. If you want to analyze the performance of your wallet or the performance attribution generated by the individual investments of your portfolio, you have to click on Overview button. The section is divided into several parts. The first, where you can see the main statistical data of the portfolio. In the second part, on the left, you can make a ranking based on one of the 3 statistical indicators that you can use as you prefer. For example, to classify in order of Diaman ratio from the best to the worst crypto asset in the portfolio. The ranking of these 3 indicators creates a scoring that you can order. With the Overview column, you can also highlight if these crypto assets are present in other wallets. You can check how much crypto contributed to the portfolio's performance. In the example, Binance Coin contributed a lot to the overall performance of the wallet. On the graph on the right part of the screen, you can see in blue the portfolio trend respect its benchmark. In this example, the Bitcoin, but you can change it by clicking here. The performance attribution can change it from 1 year to 6 months, or you can also customize the period of analysis. I can verify how the DAW would go without Binance. For example, the wallet would not go very well without Binance against Bitcoin.